Welcome to Jce Connect. Today's subject is Tqm 17ME664 C Division Module 3.6. Outline of the presentation: Employee involvement, definition, create empowered environment, benefit of empowerment. Let us see the empowerment. Observation and experience in any organization that people or the employee feel powerless. Then it leads to helpless situation, which in turn affect the organization performance. The responsibility and accountability help individual or motivate individuals to perform better. Power and empowerment are concepts that are of considerable importance to people throughout the world. This is a power shift era which implies a deep level transformation in the nature of a power. Let us see the definition. In definition, the empowerment is a process which evolved in the response to the trends towards a greater degree of the responsibility and involvement among employees in the running of their organization, or it can also define as it is a team used to express the way in which managerial staff can make autonomous decision without consulting boss or a manager. These self-willed decision can be small or a large depending upon the degree of power with which the company wishes to invest on an employee. About this, the empowerment should not be confused with the delegation of power. Delegation is entrust work. Employee empowerment requires that the individual employee is held responsible for the whole task which is being accomplished. In other words, the employee becomes the process owner. The result in the individual not only being responsible but also accountable. Empowerment focuses on expanding the context of the process or the job, such as interaction and independence, to the other functions of the organization. We have that is three conditions are necessary to create empowered environment. Okay, here empowerment focuses on expanding the context of the process or the job, such as interaction and independence, to the other function of the organization. For this, we first have to see to understand the need for the change. Second, needs to change the new enabling of the employee. First, let us see, that is to understand the need for a change. A empowerment process involves changes which may be painful and frustrating. The process also takes vast amount of time and energy. The effective communication of why the organization needs a change is critical to success. The employee should understand very clear their role in the change process. Manager should understand that employee change for their own benefit and not only for the benefit of the organization. Educated, experienced and skilled employee can understand the reason behind empowerment and accept the change. Next we will see, that is needs to change a new paradigm. The system needs to change to reinforce and motivate individual and group accomplishments. Individual and groups should understand that free to express is not only their power but will also be encourage other factors to be considered. If empowerment is to be successful, then the industry and the type and the role of unions environment is not willing to engage employee in an empowerment culture, then success will be difficult. Next we have enabling of employees. The organization trying for empowerment environment should provide information, education and skill to their employee. Accepting a change without providing proper condition necessary for the change without result in resistance to the change. This is about 3 conditions necessary to create empowered environment. Next we will see benefits of empowerment. In that benefits, first we will see how it is a benefit to the organization, and next we have that is to the employee. Let us see to the organization. To the organization, it is going to that is creates an environment which encourage proactive problem solving, accepting challenge, innovation, continuous improvement, and it is also helpful in optimum utilization of employee, high degree of employee motivation, enhancement of business performance. And how it is benefit to the employee: provides a sense of high self-esteem, high degree of involvement and participation, learning environment, opportunity for the personal growth and development, greater sense of achievement. These are the benefits of empowerment. Thank you one and all for watching.